What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Let's jump right into this video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I bleach the knots on my closure, and just FYI, this is my first time bleaching the knots on my closure, so I'm no expert, I'm no professional. So the hair I'm using is from my potential vendor. This is a 4x4 closure, and I will be bleaching the knots on this closure. So I'm just going to take some pieces of aluminum foil and just lay that on my countertop, and then I'm going to place the closure on the aluminum foil. So I'm just, combing the hair out, making sure that there's no baby hair or anything in my way for when I do start bleaching, because you do not want to get bleach on your actual hair. You just want to bleach the knots on the closure. So the bleach I'm using is the BW2 bleach. So I'm just going to use 2 scoops of bleach, and then I will use a 40 developer. Now you don't want to put too much developer in the bleach because it's going to make the bleach runny, and you don't want the bleach to be runny because it will seep through the knots. So you want the bleach to be a little thick, so that way it can just sit right on top of the knots on the closure and not seep through the knots, if that makes sense. So you just want to make sure you mix that really well. So just mix it together, mix it really well, and then you can start applying it onto the closure. So you want to be gentle when you're doing this. You don't want to press down too hard. Like, you don't want to press the brush down too hard on the knots, because then it will get onto the hair. So you just want to be a little gentle when you're doing this process. So just take your time. No need to rush, girl. Take your time, okay? Just take your time. Like I said, this is my first time, so as you can see, I'm taking my time, okay? I am trying to be extra careful with this process because, like I said, I do not want bleach on the actual hair. I just want to bleach the knots on my closure, so that's what I'm doing. So once I'm done bleaching the knots on my closure, I'm going to take the extra aluminum foil and just place that over my closure. And I'm going to let that sit for about 20 minutes. And then I will rinse the bleach off the closure. So once I rinse the bleach out of the hair, I'm going to go in with the purple shampoo and just make sure I get all the excess bleach out of the hair, because you don't want to have bleach on the hair. Like, you want to make sure the hair is nicely washed, so you want to use that purple shampoo to wash the hair. So the brand I'm using is called Shiny Silver, so I'm just using that to just really wash the knots and the entire closure to make sure I don't have any bleach on the closure. So this is what it looks like once I'm done. Not too bad for my first time bleaching my knots. So yeah. Well, you guys, that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.